If you want to get the biggest discount on hosting or hosting, then this coupon deal is exactly what you're looking for. Right now, you can get up to 83% off on Hostinger plans, which already makes it one of the most affordable hosting services available. But here's how you can unlock even more savings. When you use my referral link from the description, you'll get an extra 20% off on top of that discount. That means you're combining offers and getting hosting at a price that's really hard to beat. And it gets even better with the added benefits. You'll also receive extra free months with your plan, so you're getting more value for the same money. Now, if you're thinking about whether it's worth trying, there's no risk involved. Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try their hosting completely risk-free and get your money back if you're not satisfied. Click the link in the description, apply the discount, and lock in your Hostinger plan before this limited time offer ends.